Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OneNote edition and that all notebooks are synced. Once done, pick a target, a local folder or external drive with enough free space. Make sure OneNote shows sync complete for every notebook, otherwise export will miss changes. Then close any notebooks you don't need backed up to avoid partial exports. Finally, open File Export to begin creating a notebook package or section files. This first actionable step captures your current state. Now export methodically. Choose Notebook to get a full 1 pkg or export individual sections for smaller files. You do this because 1 pkg preserves structure while section exports give granular control. Select a destination folder and create a date stamp subfolder so you can track versions. Then run the export and watch for errors. If a notebook is large, export sections in sequence to reduce timeouts. Finally, confirm the exported files appear and their sizes match expectations before moving on. Finish by copying the exported files to an offsite location or cloud for redundancy. If you need integrity, create checksums. Once done, implement a regular backup cadence, weekly or monthly, and consider a simple script to automate exports. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Force a sync, sign out and back in, or open the notebook in the OneNote desktop app and use Repair. If export still fails, export individual sections as a workaround and reassemble later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.